Hello, welcome. Now, one easy way of capturing text to audio is to use ChatGPT. We are now inside of the free ChatGPT program, and what we're going to do is we're going to dictate to ChatGPT, and we're going to use a stream of consciousness method. And so, because in some cases you speak in a way differently than you write and can speak with more clarity and with more speed than when you write, you can use ChatGPT to capture that information. Now we are using the basic version. There is an advanced version that does have advanced capabilities, but what you can do is you can click on the amplify button at the bottom right, and you can begin to dictate to ChatGPT. We are going to click continue.
Hey, it's great to meet you. How's your day going? I'm really looking forward to working on some cool stuff together.
ChatGPT, I'd like to discuss fundamental marketing principles. I'd like to write an essay based on fundamental marketing principles, starting with unique selling proposition, as well as list building, as well as partnerships and affiliates.
Great starting point. These fundamental marketing principles form the backbone of any solid marketing strategy. An essay on these could be structured as follows. 1. Unique selling proposition. Begin by defining the USP and its importance in differentiating a brand in the marketplace. Discuss how a strong USP can be the cornerstone of a brand's identity and a focal point for all marketing efforts. List building. Explore the significance of building an audience through email and subscriber lists. Highlight strategies for effective list building, emphasizing permission-based marketing and the value of nurturing relationships with subscribers. Partnerships and affiliates. Delve into the benefits of forming strategic partnerships and leveraging affiliate marketing. Discuss how these relationships can extend a brand's reach, enhance credibility, and drive sales through mutual benefit. Each section can include real-world examples and case studies to illustrate these principles in action. This approach will not only define each principle, but also provide practical insights into their application. How does that sound for a start?
That's very good. Thank you.
You're welcome. If you need more details or have any other topics you'd like to explore, feel free to ask. I'm here to help.
And as you can see, we have all of the text available to us inside of our ChatGPT conversation, which we can now copy over into a document based on our interaction. So one way to create voice to text is to use ChatGPT in an interaction format and then to leverage that content into a document. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.